In this video, I will show you how to set up Hotspot on an iPhone, on any iPhone in 2021. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, you can go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. You can subscribe if you're new. And hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out. And also, let me know in the comment section which country are you from. I'm curious to know. So we want to go on settings. We want to click on personal hotspot. It's the fifth option on settings, and you can set up your Wi-Fi password. I set up something very easy. Allow others to join. Click on, and then all you gotta do is click on personal hotspot and turn it on. That's all you gotta do. It's very simple right now. You can also do it by just swiping up and then holding in between all of your icons, the four icons at the top left corner, just clicking personal hotspot on. This is all you gotta do. If this video helped you out, give me a like, and I want to see you in the next one.